Well, CK-12 FlexBooks and other resources are more than welcome to be used as is. You also have the option to customize them to better tailor them to meet your exact needs and standards. To do that for a FlexBook 2.0, simply click the Choose option and then choose Customize within that book. This will open up the book editor and make a copy of the FlexBook in your library for you. We do recommend that you change the name to your school, just so you can keep track of easily which book is yours and which belongs to CK-12. At that point, you're more than welcome to adjust the content within the book. Let's say you're not going to get to data, stats, and probability. You're more than welcome to remove that chapter. Or you can add a new chapter to your FlexBook and drag it wherever you want that to belong. Let's say you want to take your functions section and split that up. You can move defining functions either by choosing the move to and then my new example chapter, or by simply opening up both chapters and dragging one section into the other. If I add a new read, new lesson, it will always show up at the bottom of that chapter or your book, depending on where you create that. At any point in time that you want to actually edit a lesson itself, you're more than welcome to expand a chapter. And then next to your drag arrow options, go ahead and click Edit. From here, it will make a copy of that lesson as well in your library and not just point to the CK-12 one that exists in the primary book. You're welcome to change the title or save that title as is. And at this point in time, you can use our basic edit options within the lesson. Feel free to take something and make it bold or italics, super and subscripts, change the colors, play around with that content. I do want to point out that there are a couple specific features. So this is our math editor, the ability to add images. You can embed our interactive simulations and Plix or a video from YouTube or elsewhere. And we even have some template options that you're more than welcome to explore that put in boxes for callouts like definitions or different pieces like that. Feel free to change the content within here, just making sure that any content you're changing and adding in fits within the CK-12 terms and license.